Hey guys, I don't have much time. My lunch just started. I'm trying not to rush those noodles. So I am heating those bad boys up. And of course I had a virtual class. Nobody showed up. For one of my classes, I was like, y'all, let's go. We're gonna go down the hallway and get those desks that we need, because Monday, our class size is gonna double. And they helped me shift stuff around. It was a whole gang of kids. And we brought in 4 desks, free public school education. And I have to bring in chairs, and I want to get one of my bikes fixed. So I don't know, I may run over there right after school, because there's a bike store where they do repairs, or you can buy a bike. I don't know. I'm gonna see at their mercy if they will replace the pedals on one of my bikes. This is what I came up with for my redesign, and I have to count all the seats again and bring in more balls. So I really need to get here either super early Monday, or I sent a text to the principal to see if the school would be open Monday, because it's gonna be stressful. Our class size is gonna be double. It's just gonna be a lot. So this is what I've done. Let me turn the light on for y'all. Oh, my noodles. Look. Let me go get my noodles first, because I need to put my chicken and they can sit while they cool down. Hold on, calm down. So I got my noodles and my drink. See. And I'm gonna put cold chicken in there, which helps cool down my noodles. It was some chicken, you know, when we baked it, it made its own juice. And so I don't need to heat up the chicken, because then it kind of cools the noodles down. Then I just let it sit for a second. Okay, I had to put the mask back on. You can't be in the hallway without your mask at all. So this is what I did. This was here, added this table. And then I'm gonna bring in 2 more of these and put those right there. So this was that section. There was nothing over there before. I just had a stool. I had this black stool over there. So we moved the sofa over here. I put a table right behind the sofa. I need 2 chairs here. I moved these 2 here. They were somewhere else in the room. And then I'm either gonna bring back another sofa, mini sofa, and butt it up to my desk so the kids can use that sofa, or I could bring 2 balls. I'm not sure, but it's sitting in my garage, so I'm gonna bring it to class. I moved the bikes to the middle of the room, because the kids will put holes in the wall with this in the back, so I just moved them right here. I moved the other sofa right here. Remember, I had a bike here and a bike there. So I just moved this sofa here and put a little table there, because the kids last year they just used clipboards, so I know they got a little tired of that. And this was the same. We just shifted everything down. They shifted the carpets. They did a good job. This is the same. We just shifted this over, and I added these 2 right here. So, and I need to bring in 2 more of those. So I need to bring in 2, 4, 6, maybe 8. I'm not sure. But I need to bring that other sofa up in here. So that's what we have. And it took me a while to rearrange stuff. After we arranged it, then I wanted it rearranged. It just wasn't resonating with me. So now I think I like this a little better. And I do have another bike at the house. So I'm thinking of maybe bringing in another bike. The kids tinker really a lot with it, but then we have this, and I have my stool. Sometimes I sit on here, and of course these are the same. And then this will become 2 seats. So now I'll bring this chair from behind there and put it out here. And let's see how many seats we have. You know, I count several times. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Did I already count? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 seats. And I just feel like this space right here is just, you know, I could do something else right here. I don't know. I got 27 seats. I think my largest class is 26. And I don't know. Maybe somebody can sit on the floor right here. I don't know. Because last year I also counted my table as with two seats, because I had a special seat for one of my students. He had a special therapeutic chair, and then I had a seat over here. But I'm not doing that this year. This is Miss Bazzle's space. Okay. And then I'm going to start to use this book for grammar lessons, which is very good. I didn't get a chance to drink my coffee today. Nothing. Well, I'm going to stop chatting because I want to eat these noodles. And I still have to wolf them down. Now I only have 12 minutes. So I think I did pretty well. And they're going to bring more dividers. They're going to bring some more of these dividers. I'm not sure they're going to be the same. But the whole process is going to be the same with us, you know, cleaning up after every class. I have to get some more sanitizer for my room. Bring in more of the balls, which I believe I have a couple of balls at home. And so I have to bring those in and that sofa in. It's just sitting in the garage. I'm going to make do. I'm going to find a way. Or sis. Listen. Or I could possibly squeeze that other sofa right here. I could move this bookcase, turn it, and put the bookcase over here. Like turn it from here and then squeeze that other little sofa, because it's not as long as that one, and put another table, sis. Okay? That's what I could do, boo. Or I wish I had another little cafe set right there. That would be cute. Ooh, that would be cute right there. A little cafe set. Like a tall table. There was one on Amazon. Yeah, that would be cute right there. And then still move the book, shift the bookcase. That's what I could do. I'll figure it out. Yeah, that sofa could go right there. I ain't buying none, y'all. That sofa could go right there. Yeah. I could put that sofa there and then put one of these. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna figure it out. But I need to get up here on set. It'll be too stressful for me to do Monday morning. I will have to get here like 6 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know. Let me eat these noodles, y'all. Because, you know, my nerves be bad. Let me get these noodles. So I don't know. And I got some crackers to go with the noodles, okay? Oh man, did I tell y'all already that Connie Child got this little cute lunch bag for me? I'm like, how she be knowing I don't have certain things? I swear, she's a spy, y'all. She knows everything. Connie Child. Like, Connie Child. See, my face is not as puffy as it was this morning. I don't know. So that's just how it is. Let me move this hair out for y'all. So it was so cute yesterday with my little wacky outfit. Did I even post that video? So I just sit there, new to my channel, and wait, let me fix my hair. Let me. Y'all know I got like 6 minutes to eat these noodles. Hold on. Quiet. That's my food channel. Vaughn's place. Hey, Vaughn. Thank you for joining the family. Boo-boo. She says, new to your channel and just wanted to say your personality is everything. Lights, camera, action. You know, I'm just dramatic with everything. I've been that way since I can remember me being silly. Not intermediate school. It was high school when I realized I was funny or crazy. I don't remember any being out of character in intermediate school. It happened all in high school when I noticed it. Or maybe other people noticed it, or I came out of my shell. I don't know. But I've always been silly. All the time. Oh my gosh, we had fire drill. And see, the people at my school, they don't know I'm silly. Well, Miss Anderson does. They don't know I'm silly. So we had fire drill. And then I was like, they was like, ooh, you don't got your mask on. And then I ripped. They was like, no, just come. I was like, no, I don't want to get in trouble. So I ran back to get my mask. I said, save yourselves, dude, run out. And then the computer lady, Becky. You know, I've talked about Becky before. And Becky was the last one bringing up the rear. Then I grabbed her. I was like, Becky, let's go. We got to get out of here. Becky, let's go. And then she started running with me. It was so funny. I was like, you didn't know I was silly. She was like, not to that extent. I was like, yeah, there's a lot you don't know, girl. But yeah, so Vaughn, thank you for joining the family. And I can really say, although I complain a lot, who doesn't complain about something, okay? I am Joy. Look, I got 6 minutes for these noodles. Thank God they're not super hot anymore. But I think I'm liking how the room is turning out now. I had to get creative, but when the kids first brought this stuff, I was like, ooh, I'm not liking this. So I just finished shifting stuff around. I think this will work. I'm probably gonna bring in, well, I'm gonna bring in the other sofa and see, get it out of the garage. I got a lot of stuff to bring in. Good. Concha. Just concha. 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 So let me give shout out to Jackie Newton. Who else we got on here? Carol Lou Giles. She's always commenting, what's up, G? Courtney. She calls me Mama Joy. She's in college taking those hard classes. Make sure you study, girl. And Vanessa, she's so sweet. She's just always positive. Hey, Fila. Thank you. I'm silly. And Mabel, she is so sweet. She will write you an essay in a minute. Will write me an essay. She's super sweet. And if I do one of my educational videos, she says she lets her grandson watch them. But if there's something you guys want me to do, a video on, you know, on my middle school level, and do a little lesson or whatever, just let me know. I don't mind. 8, 12, 31. Okay. Ooh, wait, child. Every time I have the noodles, so what I did, I have the computer room, like I said earlier. Catch up time. What you owe? Do that. That's what you doing. Yep. And so the ELA lead, Dawn, she came in here, like my boss, to help with planning. Then we had a meeting with the principal. He wanted to hear what we were going through and experiencing. Because he said this virtual could be all year. And people were saying it feels like I don't have, you know, a life. Everybody just put their cards in. He said he didn't realize the magnitude of what we were going through. So we'll see. Oh, I need crackers. I like rich crackers with my noodles. It's weird. One day I didn't have no bread. My first time ever having rich crackers with some spaghetti. It was good. Because usually I like the little garlic bread. I got 3 minutes, Lord. Don't make no sense, y'all. All right. Well, you know, this video gonna be 99,000 hours. Y'all know I talk too much. So, all right. I will holler at y'all later. I gotta make it down to the computer room. You gotta have the mixture. Okay. Later.